So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, under Performance, you want to click on Settings. And now you want to click on the Advanced tab. And now you want to click on Change. You want to untick Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. And then you want to click on Custom Size. And then where it says Recommended, you want to put it for both initial size and maximum size. So I'm just going to type in 1917 again for me, and then click on Set. So then make sure that your paging file size is the same as you recommended, and then click on OK. It's going to ask you to restore your computer, but don't do it yet to complete the next step. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and then type in Edit Group Policy. Click on it. You want to expand Administrative Templates, and then you want to expand System. Now you want to scroll down and then expand Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. Here it is. And then you want to click on the folder called Windows Resource Exhaustion. And now you want to click on Configure Scenario Execution Level, and then click on Disabled, and then click on OK. Now you want to restore your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.